assessment asks us to fill in the blank for the sentence, oxygen ionizes to become -2 instead of -1 because O2 minus is more blank. Given that the ball rolls downhill as one of the central rules of organic chemistry, the answer here is that O2 minus is more stable. If something is favored in organic chemistry, it's going to be because we're making something that is more stable from something that's less stable. Why is that? Well, if we consider the electron configuration of oxygen, we see that there are 6 valence electrons. Oxygen -1 has 7 valence electrons. O2 minus now has a filled octet and adopts the electron configuration similar to neon. That filled octet and having an electron configuration more like a noble gas makes O2 minus more stable.